Hi Dressing Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw two best friends sitting together. So let's get started. To draw this sweet drawing, we need to first start by drawing the heads of the two best friends. So I'm going to start on this side, and the head is going to be slightly tilted towards the center. So I'm going to start on this side and draw a curve for the top of the head. And the reason I'm starting on this side is because this best friend here, she's more in the she's more in the background, so she's closer to me. So I need to draw her first, and then the other friend is in front of her. So I'm going to come right here and just draw a curve. Nice simple curve for the top of the head. There. So it's tilted, and then we need to draw the other head. So I'm just going to come right here. This is the center. We're going to come right here and draw another curve. Same thing for the top of the other head. The other friend. There. Okay, so we just have these two curves. That's what we want to start with. So, like I said, this girl right here, she's in the back more. So we're going to come right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and just give her a very simple hairstyle, long hair. And it's all up to you. This is just meant to inspire you, but if you draw like a full head of hair, it's just much easier. Then you have to deal with the neck and things like that. But your goal as you draw this is about right here. Just kind of imagine this is the head, the neck, and then the shoulders. So right about here, I'm just going to kind of curve it in a little bit so that the shoulder is around here. And it gives me some space. And I'm going to come right here and just go ahead and finish her hair. So just your basic hairstyle, maybe some curves. Let's see here. Okay, there. Just like I said, just basic hair. Long hairstyle. Then on this side, just remember your shoulder is about right here. So on this side, we're going to draw, I'm just going to come right about here where the shoulder would be, and I'm just going to draw a curve. I just want to make sure I get that in first. And then we can go ahead and work on this side. So we're going to have her hair really close so that we don't have to draw too many details. And I'm just going to bring it to about right here. So let's bring this down. I curve it in a little bit to give it some shape, and once again the other shoulder is going to be around about here, so we're going to start to curve and give her a little bit shorter hair, like a little bob, and something like that, nice and simple. Okay, so then we're going to just come to the top right here, and I'm just going to draw some lines so that we know that this is hair. It's so hard when you're using a Sharpie, but just want to give you an idea of these lines that you can draw to give the hair some texture. And definitely just use the darker color of whatever hair color you're going to give. There. Okay, so something like that. And like I said, just use the color of, like say if you're using brown here, just use a darker brown to draw these lines. So now that we have that, we can go ahead and start working on this very important okay, so let's go across first. So we draw the other shoulder. So right about here, we're just going to pop out a curve, just like the other girl, and then we're going to bring it down. So then we're just going to give her maybe like a regular sweatshirt. So it's about right here. Her body, I'm going to bring down this little curve, and then come down. So that we know this is her body. So then on this side is where I'm going to draw the arm. So I'm going to bring this arm down to about right here. and then we're going to angle it down, and then we're aiming for kind of around the waist area like of the other girl. So about right here, we're going to draw the hand. I'm going to go up and down to create this closed hand, and then right there with the low line, and right here we're just going to wobble 2, 3 for the fingers, and then bring it in. So now we can go ahead and thicken it up. So we're going to go out, go elbow, and bring it in. So we're about here. Draw the other shoulder. There, so the very important hand needs to be about right there, and then we can go ahead and bring this line down for the other girl. So then from there, let's go ahead and right about here, we're going to draw their bodies. So let's see here. Bring this down. And then on this side, her other shoulder, so about right here. We're going to draw a curve coming down. And we're going to give her no sleeve. So right about here will be her body, her dress maybe. And maybe give her a little waist area right here. Cut it off. And then come down. And about right here, we're just going to pop it out a little bit of a curve, and then for her bottom. So let's see here. So then let's bring this out. So just drawing the bottom right here, and then we're just going to wobble a little bit towards the center, and then connect. A little bit higher. There. Okay, so then on this side, we can go ahead and finish her arm. So we're just going to bring this down. And about right here, we're just going to curve it in for her hand, her arms. And then in this area right here, we're going to pop in her knee. So they're sitting, and so about right here, just going to draw a curve, finish off, wobble a little bit, either the rest of her skirt or maybe a pair of shorts. It's all up to you. And then we need to draw her legs. So coming out right about here, and here we're going to pop out her knee and connect. There. So hopefully that's starting to make sense. And we're just trying to draw as little details as possible by filling in these spaces. So so then now that we have that, then in this area will be the other girl. So we're going to pop it out about right here, little angle, and then the rest of her body. So it may give her like I said, a sweatshirt, so long top. Now we're just going to kind of wobble it down. And then continue this for maybe like a pair of jeans to the same level as the other girl. And once again, the center, wobble a little bit and bring it in. There. Bring this up a little bit more, sorry. Okay, so then on this side, right about here, I'm going to bring this down. And towards this arm, we're just going to kind of tuck it in for the other arm. And then right here, same thing as the other side. We need to draw in the leg. So right here, we're going to angle out and draw the knee and just bring it in. There. Hopefully that makes sense a little bit. And then in this area, I guess you can kind of color the same color as that. If you mix this a pair of jeans, and that color could be right here as well. You just draw a little line just to know that there's something there. Okay, so now that we have that, that is pretty much it, except now we're just going to come in here with some details and some lines. And then maybe on her shirt. And her dress. And let's see. That is pretty much it. So hopefully I've helped you. Like, see, in this area, it kind of looks, I can maybe just bring her hair out a little bit more so it fills in that space. And then I'll add a heart right here on her arm to make this my best friends sitting together Joseki drawing. And if you like them sitting outside, of course, then let's add some grass where they're sitting. And of course, because they're sitting on grass, there's going to be some dandelions. So they're all done. I really hope you love how this drawing turned out and I was able to help you draw a pair of best friends sitting together. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.